Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Hyundai in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this Ioniq Hybrid. So this is the premium SE specification, which gives you front and rear parking sensors with a colour reverse and camera. You also get keyless entry. Now inside the car it's leather interior. The front seats can be cooled or heated, and the driver's seat has driver position memory. Now the touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity. There's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. If this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Hyundai in Taunton. Thank you.